going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be filming a headlight upgrade to my 2000 Toyota 4Runner. I'm upgrading to HIDs. No, I didn't do a retrofit because that's kind of out of my budget. I'm going to be replacing the stock halogen bulbs with the headlights are going to be 5,000 kelvins, 55 watt ballasts. The fog lights are going to be 3,000 kelvins, 35 watt ballasts. Let's go ahead and open it up. So again, this kit is from DDM Tuning. They also included a 156 millimeter round 12 watt flood lamp. Excuse me. I had the option of choosing an interior LED kit, but I already have interior LEDs. So I actually made this order. Today is Saturday. I ordered it, I think, Tuesday night, and it came pretty quick. Alright, so first box here we have the headlights. The size for the headlights on a 2000 Toyota 4Runner is an H4. I got the high-low kit, which means I have high beams and low beams in a single bulb. And over here we have a 35 watt ballast for the fogs. And this, I'm not sure what this is. I'll figure it out. We have another 35 watt ballast for the fogs. Over here, 55 watt ballasts. Let me take these out, give you guys a size comparison. 55 watt. 35 watt, 55, 35. And over here we have another 55 watt ballast. And these are the fog lights. The size is H3. Both fogs. Place these here, place these here. And this is the 156 millimeter 12 watt flood lamp that I chose, which was for free. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty big, pretty heavy. I don't know if it's going to be bright. I don't even know where I would install this. How I would install it, no clue, but I have it. Alright, so up next I'm going to film the install. Flood lamp, 255 watt ballast, 5,000 Kelvin HID headlights, size H4. Over here we have the two 35 watt ballasts, the 3,000 Kelvin size H3 fog lights, and this, I'm not quite sure what it is. So grand total for all this was about 100 bucks. I ordered the cheapest DDM kit that they have to offer, just to kind of try it out, give it a test. Alright. So up next is the install. Hey guys, so I also wanted to show you a before and after of the headlights and fog lamps. Fog lights, I don't know why I keep saying lamps. But anyway, let's turn it on. Alright. So I know it's daytime compared to when I show you guys the HIDs at night. I'll probably just show them to you in the day. But this is what stock looks like. Not very bright. At night, it's actually really horrible. Can't see much. I went out to Rio Doso about a week ago. That's in New Mexico. Took some trails and I could not see a thing. Horrible lighting. Horrible stock lighting. So I'm hoping these HIDs really change the look, really change my visibility. All right, let's get to it. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you guys an update as far as where I'm at installing these headlights. I tried installing the H3 fog lights, but I think I'm just gonna have to order a different kit because the actual HID wiring, let's see, does not fit in this little compartment. I saw a forum online about how some guy rewired the kit to fit through here. Maybe I'll do that, I'm not too sure. But as of today, I'm just gonna leave stock fogs. Well, let me give you guys a little update on what I did for the headlights. So on the right side of the vehicle, took out the air box just to give me some more room. I put the new HID inside. I don't know if you're able to see, it's right in there. And then I took this rubber housing that was housing the halogen bulb and I cut it so it can fit around the new HID. Here's the ballast. I still have to figure out a place to put it. And then the wiring harness, still have to zip tie it because this is definitely not safe, as you can see. And then I grounded it to this little Denso, I'm not even sure what this is, but grounded it to the chassis through this bolt right here. And then the wiring harness, I'm gonna cut across top of here, probably zip tie it to these cables here, to these spark plug cables. And then here's the other end of the wiring harness. And I put the positive end to my positive terminal on my battery. And then I've got this ballast here. I still have to figure out where to put it. There's not a lot of space in here, as you can see. The lighting's probably not very good. It looks like a freaking mess right now, because it is. But let's see. Yeah, I did the same thing to the rubber housing. I just cut it so it can fit around the new bulb. There it is in there. And they work. I just tested them briefly just to see if my wiring was right. But yeah, that's where I'm at so far. Once I get everything looking good and zip tied, I put the air box back in. I also undid some cabling down here, trying to disable the DRL feature because I really don't need these running in the daytime. Alright guys, keep you updated. What's up guys? So, just to give you guys an update, just about done with the headlights. Where are my keys at? There they are, right in my face. Anyway, just about done with the headlights. Just finished rewiring, well, organizing my wiring. Let me show you guys what I did. So the ballast is back there on the left side and it's secured with the zip tie. And then I have the ground linked to where my sub ground is at, just to the chassis. And then I have all my wiring nice and neat with a zip tie. I have some more wiring running in front of the little coolant reservoir. And then I have part of the wiring zip tied to the top of the reservoir. Doesn't look that safe, but it's pretty tight on there. And I have some of it taped down there. More wiring running through here. Positive connected to the positive terminal. It's all taped and zip tied. Running back here through the spark plug wires all the way across to the right-handed side. And then I showed you guys earlier where the other ground was, down there underneath the air box. And more wiring. My ballast is right here. I've got two zip ties, one on top, one on the bottom. It's pretty secure there. And more wiring here. Tonight I still have to do my final adjustments, but everything is wired up and working. Let me give you guys a little demo. One sec. Alright. Can you guys see that? I'm going to turn on the headlights and the fogs that I unfortunately did not change. I'll get to those though, at some point. Alright, I'm going to let them warm up fully. I haven't seen them yet either, but I know HIDs take a little while to warm up. On my old Tacoma, I used to have a set of HIDs. I don't know how many kelvins they were. They were way more than these. These are white and bright. Holy crap. These are going to look great at night. Pretty excited. The fog lights that I had planned were 3000 kelvins. They would have been a bright yellow. Looks good. Pretty bright. Alright, I'll give you guys a follow-up video later on tonight when I adjust them. And I'll show you some on-road driving as well. What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to do a follow-up of my DDM HID 5000 Kelvin 55 watt headlight upgrade. Finished today. I got them adjusted and pointed the right way. They're pretty bright, as you can see. I still have to do the fog lights. Those are going to be 3000 kelvins with a 35 watt ballast. These are extremely bright. Probably can't tell in the camera, but they're a very, very white light. I thought they were going to be a little more yellow, but they still look extremely nice. Let me show you as far as how much visibility I have now. Before, with the halogen bulbs, they were pointing pretty much at the ground, so I adjusted them. Now they're pointing straight, right around 40 inches off the ground. That's center with my headlight. Pretty good visibility. I'll follow up with a fog light video eventually. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, post them down below. Peace.